Today we're going to be showing you how to make an easy pasta Alfredo recipe in your Instant Pot. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson.
I'm Reagan Peterson.
And we have a great college recipe for you today. This is in continuation of the series that we've been doing the last couple of videos, teaching Reagan some things about some meals that she could make at college. So this is just another one that's just so good. And we've already had this as our family a few nights ago.
It was
and
so good.
All of us independently came to the conclusion that it was a winner. And it was so easy. So I was like, this will be perfect for the college series. So first thing that you're gonna do is pour in 2 cups of water. And while she's getting the water, then you're gonna do, we're gonna do this better than bouillon stuff. And we want 1 tablespoon of it. So you can use that. And I usually just kind of scrape it out with a butter knife after you get it in there, and you kind of level it off. And you can just scrape it in. Yeah, you can do it there. There you go. So I'm gonna measure out 8 ounces of pasta, which is about half a bag. And it won't look like there's enough water, but there is. So, okay, perfect. 8 ounces. So a lot of it will be underwater and some of it won't be, and that's okay. So go ahead and add in your better than bouillon. And it doesn't need to be like dissolved or anything. It'll be fine. And then I have this bag of rotisserie chicken that we just got the chickens from Costco, and then we put it into like this, about 1 to 2 cups of chicken in a baggie. And so then whenever we need chicken for a recipe, we have it ready. But this is frozen, and that's okay. If it's unfrozen, that's okay too. You'll use the same cooking time. So put that right on top of the pasta. And then 4 ounces of cream cheese. So that's just half of the brick. And while she's doing that, I'll get the seasoning. So it's garlic powder, and we want 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Sprinkle that in. And then 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Got it? Okay. And then a pinch of kosher salt. So when a recipe says a pinch, Reagan, it literally means you take your fingers and you pinch as much as you can. You know, just how much you can pinch, and you just sprinkle it in. So that's what a pinch is. Okay, do you want to put the lid on and we'll get this cooking? Okay. So we're going to pressure cook for 4 minutes. Do you remember how to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Push start. Okay, and when it's ready, we'll come back. All right, it has been done for 5 minutes, so we're gonna release the pressure. So you just push that down. All right, so the pressure is released. We're gonna remove the lid. Okay, now you can stir in, I have a half cup of sour cream here. Do you wanna stir that in? And then just stir it all together so that cream cheese kind of gets all incorporated as well. All right, doesn't that look so good? So then what we like to do is you can either pour some Parmesan cheese on top, stir that in, or just each person can put some on their own plate. But that's it. That's the easiest recipe ever, right?
Super easy.
So thanks so much for joining us. We will be back to share another easy college recipe with you next time. And let us know if you have any comments or any questions in the comments below, and we'll try to answer them on our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.